How to use ChatGPT to write emails, scripts, or posts. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write professional emails, content scripts, or even social media posts in just seconds. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see a simple chat box. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's say you want to write an email. Just type a prompt like, write a professional email requesting a meeting with my manager. Hit enter, and boom, ChatGPT gives you a ready-to-send email. Want to create a YouTube script? Try something like, write a 1-minute script explaining how solar panels work. Within seconds, you'll get a well-structured and engaging script. And for social media posts, ask ChatGPT to write a catchy Instagram caption about morning coffee or create a LinkedIn post announcing a job change. You can even tell it the tone, like professional, friendly, funny, or casual, to match your style perfectly. Once you're happy with the content, you can tweak it or copy-paste it wherever you need. That's how easy it is to use ChatGPT to create amazing content. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your favorite ChatGPT prompt in the comments. That's all for the video.